Hello and welcome to this video. In the previous lecture, I have explained you what is .git folder and what is Git repository. And in this video, I will be explaining you the basic commands of Git and all the commands which we will use frequently throughout the course and you will be using also in your projects as well. So I will explain all those commands in this video. So let's take one example here. We said that our .git folder is our headquarter which tracks all the changes. So right now we are going to take one example of a warehouse repository and we are sending our package there, right? So currently our content of that package is this file sample.py. We need to pack it into a one box and send it to our repository. So how we will do this? So the first of all we need to add this content into box, right? So currently it is untracked. You can see that this file is untracked and it is also showing red in git status command. So if I will use git add command and I will give the file name sample.py and there is a typo mistake in file name, so let me just correct it. Rename sample.py, and if I will do git status now, it is showing me the file. Okay. The command for adding our content into box is basically adding our files into repository is git add and the file name sample.py. So what it will do, it will take one box, means our repository, and it will add this sample.py file into that box. So we have added our file. The untracked status was changed to added, and yes, we have added this file. And if I will do git status now, we can see that our file is added into box, but we haven't packed it yet. We need to pack it. For that, there is another command is git commit. So what we will do is we will pack this thing. Yes, this file is going into this box and we will pack this thing and we will not add anything in this particular box. So I will use git commit and I will add git -m. This is the message and I will add a message that this is the initial commit. So we are saying we are putting some information on that box that yes, this is the particular things in this box, or these are the changes that happened from the previous content, or you can say just a status message or just a reference message, you can say it as well. So git commit -m initial commit. So we have packed our box and we have stored it in our local warehouse, means it is stored in our local repository. But we can also send this box to a remote cloud warehouse. From there, it can accessible to everyone if we want to. So that thing is called remote repository. If we want to make our code remotely public or private or accessible to any other colleagues or developers, then we can push our code into our remote repository. We can create one repository there and we can connect that repository to our local this repository, this .git repo folders repository, and we can send our files from locally to remote. Okay, but I'm not explaining those things in this video. We are currently learning Git in a local level, means we are learning all the commands which are required for local repository management, and I will cover that remote part in upcoming GitHub section. So yes, so our box is packed now and I have added one commit, but this is kind of annoying that I need to add every single file into my git add command. You can see that I added sample.py, but what if I want to add multiple files at the same time? So what we can do? Or we can we want to add all the files at the same time. What I need to do is first I will create some files here. Demo1.txt, demo2.txt. So I've created these two files, and let me do a git status now. So it is showing that these two files are untracked Yes, those are on tracks. And I will do one more thing is that I will make some changes into this file as well. Maybe some change. So now what you are saying is that this file is modified. These two files are untracked. And if I will do git status now, it will show that one file is modified and two files are untracked. And if I want to add all these things at once, what I can do is I can enter the command git add and a dot. What this git add dot command will do, it will take all the changes, all the deletions, all the addition, and all the updated files as well. It will take all these things from the previous commit, okay, and it will add all those things into one package. Again, git add dot, and our changes are added. We can check git status. You don't need to check status every time, but for right now, uh, I want to show you that how this works. So it is saying that new file added, and this file is modified. And again, I can run this command git commit -n to pack our box with the message on it. This message is saying that added two files and updated one file. So you see that three files changed, two insertions, one deletion. Okay. Now what? Now let me delete one file. I will delete this file. So now we are not seeing any status here that this is untracked, this is added, or any kind of that type of status message here. But if you see here that this is showing that this file is deleted. And again, this is the extension. I will attach the document. You can download those extensions for your Visual Studio Code. And if I will do git status now, it will show me that this file is deleted and I want to commit this change. But before committing, I need to add those change, git add and do commit fnm deleted one file. Okay, so our file is deleted, and till now we have done 3 commits. Okay, we have added our file, we have updated our file, and we have deleted our file. So these are the commands which you use frequently: git add, git commit, and git push as well. But the git push will be used when you want to push these changes to a remote repository, which is standing there remotely on a cloud, and you want to reflect these changes there as well. At that time, you will use git push command. Okay, so first you git add and then you git commit. But if you want to see that what are the commits till now I have done, you can use this command git log, and it will show that the first commit was initial commit, the second commit was added two files and updated one file, and the last commit was deleted one file. So you can see your commits log here. So with this command git log, you can see the history of commits of your particular branch or of your particular repository. So that's all for this video, and thanks for watching. I will see you in the next lecture.